In glory, I want you to wake up feeling beautiful, understanding what your life is worth. You understand? Life, what life means to you. I know when I wake up, I think about my mother's beautiful smile. You know what I'm saying? My sister's positive joy, positive energy and influence my kids have. Oh, I see it. Connecting with the earth. Barefoot Chronicles. Y'all know every time I do this, I ask myself, who would I want to smoke with the baddest? And the answer's always the same. Marley. The leaves blowing. Look at this shit. Oh, man. Look at this. And y'all need to come out and experience that, man. It's going on right outside your doorways. Whatever your wants or desires are, let's continue to build on those. Let's add something to the equation. Let's network more. Let's expand the team. Make sure you take time out to connect with the earth so you'll have better understanding, full understanding what's going on around you. Follow your heart. Follow your intuition, you heard me?